Hello, I will talk about the stars. The closest star to Earth is our Sun, that is 150 million kilometers from Earth, and it takes the Sun's rays 8 minutes to reach the Earth. So in general, you can say that any celestial body that emits heat and light as a result of nuclear fusion is defined as a star, whereas any celestial body that rotates around a star is defined as a planet. So our Earth is a planet that rotates around the Sun, that is a star, and actually the Earth completes one orbit around the Sun in 365 days or in 1 year. So the next closest star to Earth is the star Proxima Centauri, that is 4 light years from Earth. That is to say that the light emitted from the star Proxima Centauri travels 4 years to reach the Earth. So if theoretically there was a wedding on the star Proxima Centauri, and the wedding was broadcasted live to Earth, and you get the pictures from the wedding now at April 2023. The wedding itself took place at April 2019, because it took the pictures from 4 years to travel from the star Proxima Centauri to Earth. Okay, so that is also the reason that you can say that when you look at the stars, you are actually looking into the past. So actually you can say that a star is a spherical celestial body that consists of matter of gas and plasma aggregation. So the number of stars in the visible universe is about 7 times 10 to the power of 22, and other estimations is that the number of stars in the visible universe are 10 to the power of 24. So the stars in the visible universe are organized in structures of galaxies, and the galaxies in turn are organized in the structures of galaxy clusters, and the galaxy clusters themselves are organized in structures of superclusters, and the superclusters themselves are organized in a bigger structures that is called Great Walls. Actually, the Great Walls are the largest structure known in the visible universe. So I will start to explain, first of all, what is a galaxy. A galaxy is a collection of many stars held together by the force of gravity, and a galaxy moves as one unit in the universe, and all the stars in a galaxy revolve around the center of the galaxy. Okay, an example of a galaxy is the Milky Way. Actually, the solar system is located in the Milky Way, and the Earth is also located in the solar system that's located in the Milky Way. And the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy is about 200 billion stars. Other estimation is that the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy is about 10 to the power of 24 stars. Okay, so a collection of galaxies, a collection of many galaxies that held together by the force of gravity and moves in the universe as one unit is called a galaxy cluster. A galaxy cluster can contain thousands of galaxies that held together by the force of gravity. And a cluster and then a collection of many cluster galaxies that held together as one unit by the force of gravity is called supercluster. Supercluster also can contain from hundreds to thousands of galaxy clusters, and the size of supercluster could be from about 100 million light years up to 400 million light years long. a bigger structure than a superclusters is actually a collection of many superclusters held together by the force of gravity and moves as one unit in the universe is called Great Wall. And the Great Wall is actually the largest structure known in the visible universe. So I will repeat that a collection of many superclusters that held together as one unit by the force of gravity and moves as one unit in the universe is called Great Wall. And an example of Great Wall is huge LGQ that is 1 billion light years far away from Earth, and the size of the LGQ, of huge LGQ, is about 1.37 billion light years long. Okay, so we can summarize the structure of the stars in the visible universe, and we can say that the stars in the universe are organized in galaxies, and the galaxies themselves are organized in galaxy clusters. The galaxy clusters are organized in superclusters, and the superclusters are organized in great walls that are the largest structure known in the visible universe. Okay, thank you very much.